Tip 1 is lube the tire properly. Here I am being lazy and trying to use a bottle of slippery spray-on wax to facilitate slipping the tire over the bead. And as you can see, it's giving me some serious trouble. Don't do that. Go ahead and get some tire lube, or you could use soapy water. Check out this second take doing it with the proper stuff. After putting the rim on the bucket, I forced myself to walk all the way into the house and get a bottle of Simple Green. And after dousing the bead with the cleaner, look how easy it went on. And did I have to use some force to get it on? Of course, but the proper lubricant will definitely help. Tip number 2 is put the clean bead on the outside. Here I am fighting with one of the tires, trying to get the bead to slip onto the Beadlock's lip. This step is actually quite important. This centers the rim on the tire, so it actually acts like a round tire instead of an ellipse while you're driving. This was miserable, but I realized my mistake. Check this out. You can pretty much feel the lip or basically the cutoff where the mold was. If there's a lot of leftover or just like a little bit of leftover, what that does is it makes it hard to get over this lip right here. I make sure that's on the bottom bead because it doesn't matter. And then a nice clean lip is the one that easily fits right in there. So yeah, the cleaner bead should go on the outside or the beadlock side of the rim. So save yourself some time and definitely a lot of aggravation. Make sure you use the cleaner bead on the outside where it's going to have to fit over that lip. My third and last tip is to inflate the tires while they're still sitting on the bucket. One bonehead move I did was pull the tire off the bucket to inflate it so I could use the bucket to mount another tire. But in reality, because my rims are somewhat wide and the beads are very close together, I needed that extra help from gravity to make the inner beads seal. For my tires, all I needed is 1 or 2 psi before it would hold itself on, and I could, again, roll it off to the side and start the next tire.